Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change username on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Discord is very popular as a communication platform for building communities, thus fitting for gamers, content creator, and online groups. It gives real-time voice channel text, chat, and video calls for perfect collaboration and interactions. Changing the Discord username is a free and easy. This can be understood as a kind of personalization of one's identity and on the platform. So knowing how to change your Discord username is a vital you want to rebrand, update your profile for professional use, or just start fresh. You can customize your Discord username match your gaming persona and brand identity or online presence in just a few clicks. And how to do it in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, first we have to open our Discord. Now you can just open your profile by tap on the bottom right here. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner on the settings on here. Tap on account. So here's your username. You can just tap on that. You can change your username. Maybe you want to change to another name. You like this. Or like this. Now this username is available. You can just tap on the upper right corner, tap on save. You can verify your password. Hit on done. So now you have changed your username on Discord. It's so simple, right? So that is how to change username on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!